Hey guys, I'm super stoked. It's Jennifer Sparks and I'm back at the wonderful Marriott Grande Vista and I'm so excited. I'm here with my sister Jackie and we're going to give you a little tour, so I'm going to be quiet so you can hear our first impressions.
Marriott Grande Vista, and I haven't even put the lights on yet. I wasn't going to even film this because I have plenty of videos of the 2-bedroom unit, but this one is a 2-bedroom lock-off and it's remodeled. They got rid of the bathtubs. And they got these new fancy chairs here. This is building 87. I've never stayed here before. It's pretty exciting. There's the view out here. It has 2 balconies because the other bedroom is a bedroom like a efficiency, like a studio. See my little view here? You can't really see with the screen.
This one does have a screen where the other one doesn't, but the other one is more rounded, so you have a little bit more sunshine on it.
Yeah, that's probably a better one for you.
This one,
you're
yeah,
more of
I
a
love
sunshine girl.
and this has got a ceiling fan.
Yeah, I think this maybe then we'll switch. We're trying to decide who's going to get which room. Okay, this is my sister Jackie.
Hi, everybody.
This looks the same furniture-wise. All right, let's look at the bedroom. It looks pretty much the same, but look at, they have the new door here.
The barn door.
And they got rid of the hot tub. The hot tub used to be like over here, and they added this. This is the star of the show for me. My sister's not too excited about it. She's like, I wanted to take a bath.
Oh, it's right. Okay.
Wow.
All right, let's put this bed
Look
down.
at that. Double head shower.
It's nervous. It's nervous.
Fantastic.
On these things too.
Wow. What's in here? This is so much fun. I love checking into the hotels. We've got the safe. Yeah, I'll take this room because I like safes. Ironing board. I never use ironing boards. Does anybody use ironing boards? Someone probably does.
All right, I'm gonna go over
Kitchen.
the doors.
Kitchen looks the same. These are new.
New chairs, and we have an up-down washer dryer.
All right. Yep, that's been upgraded.
Yep, they don't use Tide anymore, they use all. And then I'm gonna go around and open this side.
All right, yeah, so it's not like a typical, but this is good to know because if you're coming here with your kids, this would be a bad thing, but for 2 of us adults, this is great. So she's going around to open up the, surprise! Jackie hasn't been able to travel all year. She's a nurse, and this is very exciting for us to have her finally been, oh, you got to save 2!
And my own iron.
And your
board.
own.
Amazing mirror.
This, I'm really excited about this. This is a beautiful patio here. Only downside, obviously, is there's no screen out here, but there's a screen here. So if she wants to keep the door open while she's sleeping, she doesn't have to worry about the bugs coming in. So this view is beautiful because you could have the Gulf side and
Sunshine.
yes, she's a sunshine girl for sure.
Aww.
She needs it. She's been through a heck of a year.
I'm so happy.
Heck of almost 2 years. Crazy, crazy times. Anyway, all right, I just wanted to, all right, let's check out the bathroom in here. Oh, look at this. This one has like, this is a great thing because like if you're with somebody that has like wants different coffee than you have that, and you have your own wine glasses and a little fridge.
Look at, I got my own soap, my own.
Yeah. Like you really seriously want this room?
Yeah.
The shower's been remodeled.
Yeah,
I
it's
like
nice
that.
and clean. Then they got
Yeah.
nice towels, and I can have bathtub too.
All right.
It's a win-win for me. And this makeup mirror is killer. Oh,
You can sit there and stare at yourself for hours.
I love this mirror. Oh, and then they give you a little. Look at it. Oh, I love it.
All right, settle then. I'm taking the big room. She's very happy with this room. Oh, can we get out? We can't get out. See, this is the problem.
This is
Now
the
we're
problem,
locked out.
right?
We have to figure out how
There's
to keep
no
these
kickstands
doors
on the
open.
doors.
Jackie, show your bracelet. If you do stay at a Marriott, you need to get one of these bracelets. That way you don't lock yourself out of the room because it stays with you. I wear them even when I'm home. I get home from vacation, it'd be like a couple days later and I'm like, I'm still wearing my Marriott bracelet. But you get into your room with it. It's incredible. You never lose your key. I have a wonderful vacation. Yay! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you did, subscribe to my channel. Later.
Okay, that was my very excited, just checked in tour, our first impressions. Now I'm just gonna show you guys around a little slower so you can see inside the drawers and what kind of space this place has for you to bring your own stuff and what you think you might need. This is new, this cabinet over here. In previous visits, there was usually like a pantry that you could put your stuff, like, you know, cereal, chips, that sort of thing, but that is no longer here, at least in this villa anyhow. Over here you would find a sleeper sofa, I'm assuming is new. I'm currently sitting on it right now as I'm voicing over this video. Now please bear in mind, this is a renovated room. They are currently working on other ones too, so if you are to be gonna be checking in soon, you may not get a room like this. So I'm just showing you the renovated one, but you could always ask. You know, when I go up there, they usually, you know, to the check-in, they usually show me my room, and usually I take it. Usually, I mean, I'm excited to stay anywhere on this gorgeous property, but you know, you have the opportunity to be like, you know, you might have to wait a little longer, but you'd have an opportunity to say, you know, I'd rather stay here, or I'd rather have a renovated room, or I'd rather be on ground floor. I prefer the upper floors, but you have to take an elevator, and some people don't like doing that. That is one of my preferred reasons I love to stay at Marriott. They really will work with you, the Marriott Vacation Clubs. They really want you to be happy. So if you're not happy with your, you know, villa that they give you, you could request to switch. Or even, like I said, go to the desk and they'll show you, like, your villa is here. And if you don't want to be on the golf course, see if you could get a pool view. But, you know, to each its own. Everyone likes a different view. I personally like the fountain views. And as I said earlier in the videos, they took out the jacuzzi tubs and they put in that awesome shower. It has 3 heads. I mean, I took a couple showers already and it's amazing. Very cool. And they added a closet to add extra storage. I'm happy with the renovations. I think they're really great. I personally never used the tub, so I'm, you know, much happier with the shower. You know, there's a hot tub. There's several hot tubs outside if you really want to go in a tub. In the kitchen area, not too much looks different. This is smaller than some of the kitchens that I've stayed in at the Marriott Grande Vista, but it's totally functional. There's enough storage, there's enough space. The water pressure's good, even being on the 5th floor. This is our solution to the doors. We took the kitchen rags that they give you to clean the counters and stuff, and we put a stopper there. And, you know, when we want to close the door at night, you know, we'll get rid of those. So, yeah, they really should have a stopper on there. You know, if you have little kids and stuff, you know, it's nice to be able to, like, you know, be able to access them quick and not have them get locked out of the room. And in this little efficiency, you're going to have a microwave, a refrigerator, you have a sink, you have, like, you know, cutlery and glasses. It's great. I think a lot of times, especially in Interval International, it's listed as a studio. This is what it would be. This is, you get a bed, a pull-out couch. I mean, it's probably good for a family with little kids. I don't think 4 adults could stay here comfortably, but definitely in this here where there's 2 bedrooms, this is great. It's just me and my sister. We have tons and tons of room. We're having a really good time. Lots of activities going on now. My sister currently is at a stretching class. I have to jam on this video and finish editing it and get it posted on YouTube so I could go meet her at Aqua Aerobics. I love it. I really just love the Grande Vista. If you're thinking of coming here, do it. It's just awesome. But bear in mind, depending on when you come, don't come on a holiday. Don't come on like Labor Day, worst thing ever, you know. Come during the week. Come in September. It's really good. But like, come during the week if you can. If you're coming for the week, like if you have a timeshare, you're going to run into the weekends, which get busier. But remember, during the week, you'll get calmer. Look at this thing here. So cute. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy resort tours, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other Orlando videos. I have so many. It's probably like about 100 of them. I'm going to link the playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels to you. Go out and have fun. Enjoy your life. Peace.